There is a lot of demand in engineering, especially in London, whereby engineering is seen to be the future of generating in terms of income for the country and worldwide. So having students who are interested in engineering, and Lambert College is providing that criteria, if you like, it enables a lot of students who really want to do this. They come in here with a lot of enthusiasm. During a parents' evening that we normally held here at Lambert College, the parents will come and say, "Oh, my son or my daughter built this." And we were amazed that he was able to build this. And that actually gives us a lot of encouragement, saying that at least what I'm doing is exactly appreciated by the students and their parents. They like hands-on work. So here we provide them with hands-on work. When they finish here, they've got the ability to be able to look at different areas in terms of engineering, because we cover almost all the engineering fields as it is. We cover things like CAD, we cover things like electronics, and then civil engineering, mechanical engineering. So all the engineering fields are covered. It is a combination of different parts. So you can finish here, go to university, and feel that you are really not empty, in a sense that you've covered all the basics of engineering. So in that sense, it's quite unique. Teaching at Lambert College is very inspiring. I have been teaching here for 20 years. It's very good, or it makes you feel really important in yourself, that you see a student, you walk around, you see a student who come and just shake your hand, say, "Thank you very much, sir, for actually giving me that little education of what I have achieved." So those kind of things actually helped you to feel that, yes, I'll carry on. There are different types of colleges in London, and most of them teach engineering, but there's a slight difference between each college. We emphasize on practicals and making sure that students achieve. So the achievement is something that's very, very important. And here we've got a lot of facilities that might not be available at other colleges.